Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check for incentives on the Spark Driver app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and see if there's any incentives for driving for Spark. Maybe there's a complete 5 trips and earn a bonus of $25. Maybe there's a complete 10 trips and earn a bonus of $100. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Spark Driver app. Next, on the bottom right hand corner, click on More. Then from here, you want to go ahead and click on Incentive Programs. So this is where you're going to see your incentive programs. And so it depends on your location whether or not there's some incentive programs. For my location, for example, they do tend to have incentives every week, but that might differ from one place to another. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and check for incentive programs on the Spark Driver app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.